Are you ready to count?
Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Hello, lovely crafters. Welcome back to my channel. Are you ready for a New Year party? At least you will need a mini bar. So let's make one. First, I'm going to recycle some part of Pringles container because it has the perfect size for a Barbie stool. So these are the parts I'm going to use and another part for another project. And then cover the top using any kind of thick paper. You can glue it whether with hot glue or white glue. And then I'm going to use some wallpaper sticker or contact paper to cover the bar stool into a wooden pattern. This is such an effortless way to create a wooden look. Using a simple tool, cut another sticker into a circle shape about this size. And then as the legs, I'm using some bamboo chopsticks or you can use wooden dowels. Mark where you will put the legs like this. And then let's put them all together using hot glue. And then we need to add some structure to make it stronger. Mark it somewhere. Well, my chopstick already has some marks. And glue it there. If you're using wooden dowel, you can make the mark using pencil. And glue another one and the structure is strong already. Let's try the Barbie to sit on it. I think she will need something to put the feet on because this is such a high chair, so let's put something on it. And our bar stool is done. And then let's continue to the bar table. You need to remeasure this part because yours might be different. And then use the very same contact paper to match the bar stool. And for the table wall, I'm gonna give a little texture. I'm using foam wall sticker because I have a lot of leftover of it. But you can also use another contact paper or maybe a customized printed pattern or maybe other idea you have. But I think using this cheap foam wall sticker is such an effortless way to give a little texture to your craft. And the bar table is done. Now let's continue to the background wall of the bar. I'm making 2 marks of where the bar lamps will be. Make the holes using a sharp pencil to fit the size of the chopstick. And then don't forget to keep this part because we're going to use it later. Basic shape of the background wall is done. Don't worry about the ugly texture of the cardboard because we're going to cover it using some paper. I'm using a gift wrap paper that has a wall texture printed pattern. Of course, you can use other that you like. And then let's continue to make the shelves. And we're going to put it right here, but before, I'm making a simple ruler to mark where I want to put the shelf on. Because my shelf is on a perfectly fit size, I don't even have to put some more glue to make it strong. Look, it's strong enough. But of course, you can put some glue on. And then last but not least, the bar lamps. Find any leftover container in any shape and any size you like. Doesn't have to be the same as mine. And let's make 2 boho chic lamps. And this is how we put the removable lamp. But we will have another problem. This is not the angle I wanted. So we need to put something on the back side of it to make it straight like this. And the angle problem is done. The next problem is it's going to fall like this because of the weight of the lamp. So we need to put something small and heavy here. You can use a stack of small heavy books or maybe heavy little jar. And the whole mini bar is all done and ready to party. And yes, I put a little color to the legs of the bar stool to give a little accent. And another surprise is I designed all the measurement for this purpose, for an easy storage for you. Hurry up, I need another bin bag, please. Where's everybody?
Don't worry, I'm here with the bin bag.
No decoration on the bar table, please. That's where we will put the drinks. Yes, ma'am, it's not done yet. And where's the floor table? Right here, I've just cleaned it up. This is not enough pillows. There. And it's perfect. How about the drinks? What? The drinks? Nobody ordered it? Oh no! Elsa, where have you been? It's so nice to see you. You know, I'm finally free in my ice castle. That's the best quarantine ever. Of course. Would you like some cold drink? Absolutely. Snowy, how are you? How's your new castle? Well, it's big and I'm all alone. I don't have to share my bed with 7 other people. It's great. Definitely for next year's party. Sure.